like looking for random places to visit and saw this place on social media. There's usually a live band and mermaid show on the weekends, but I visited on a weekday. The journey there was long and far, but I don't mind as I try my best to get my 10,000 steps in every day. It's a small container park with about 10 stores, but the highlight was definitely watching the planes taking off. It was super therapeutic doing that, plus the wind makes the place relaxing and healing. Had a glass of stout, it's happy hour every day from 5 p.m. to 8 p.m. Left before the sun totally set, as it can get quite scary doing the 10 minutes walk to the bus stop at night.